Today on Sugar Spun Run, I'll be showing you how to quickly toast coconut. Hey Sugar Spun Bakers, Sam here with a quick and easy kitchen tip on how to quickly make yourself crisp golden browned coconut. All that you need for today's recipe is a cookie sheet, 2 cups of sweetened or unsweetened shredded coconut, and an oven. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're just going to evenly scatter this coconut over our baking sheet. I like to use my hands or a spatula to just kind of make sure it's evenly distributed. You don't want big piles of coconut or it's not going to cook evenly. Now I'm using a light colored cookie sheet today. If you are using a darker colored sheet, keep in mind you may need to bake your coconut for slightly less time. All right, now take this over to your 350 degree Fahrenheit preheated oven where it's going to bake first for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, remove it from the oven, and then we're going to use our spatula just to turn the coconut and just redistribute it over the sheet. Now the coconut will probably only be a very light golden brown at this point. That's fine. In order to cook it evenly and avoid burning it, you still want to give everything a nice stir at this point. Now don't turn your oven off because we're going to pop this right back in the oven and bake it for another 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, let's take another look. This is still a little bit lighter than I'd like my coconut to be, so I'm going to give everything another stir, and then I'm going to pop it back in the oven and check it every 1 minute until it's a nice golden color. All right, so after 10 minutes, you can see how my coconut looks. It's nicely toasted, beautifully golden brown, and once it cools, it will be ready to use however you would like to use it. And that is how easy it is to make toasted coconut at home. I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy tutorial. If you try it out or have any questions, please leave me a comment and let me know. I always love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.